It's a 2011 Cadillac DTS. This DTS has a beautifully crafted, spacious and quiet cabin wrapped in classic Cadillac style. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auxiliary audio input, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, front wheel drive, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com offers all models include standard front side impact airbags as well as front and rear side curtain airbags. Should you need assistance in an emergency or just need tickets to the basketball game, GM's OnStar communication system comes standard. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.